Cook County State's Attorney Kim Foxx pushes back against what she says is a false narrative that she is soft on crime and wants offenders released.
She made the case for a reforms to a group in Austin. WGN's Mike Lowe reports from the Cook County Criminal Courthouse.
Cook County State's Attorney Kim Foxx took questions from the public and sought to clarify what she characterized as misperceptions about how she handles violent crime.
The whole system got my name on it. I just don't have that much power.
Chicago's West Side branch of the NAACP hosted a community conversation with Cook County State's Attorney Kim Foxx, providing a rare opportunity for the public to question the top prosecutor about the workings of her office, its response to violent crime, and how she's attempting to reform the county's justice system.
People love to say it's Kim Foxx is because I have pushed for bail reform. It creates a narrative that everybody's out committing harm.
Since her election in 2016, Foxx has supported bail reform, measures that protect the rights of defendants, beliefs in line with those of Chief Judge Timothy Evans. But tonight, she made it clear her office does not control bail. Only judges do.
And a judge makes a determination. State's Attorney's office does not set bail.
Critics say the push for reform is tilting the scales in favor of the accused. One result has been a dramatic increase in the number of people accused of violent crimes who are released on electronic monitoring while they await trial. Recent data from the Cook County Sheriff's Office shows the number of defendants on electronic monitoring facing murder charges jumped 440% between 2016 and 2021. Over that same span, those charged with armed violence out on electronic monitoring went up 767%. Aggravated gun possession was up 436%. Felony gun possession more than 1,700%, and aggravated battery 178%.
No one who commits a crime of violence should be allowed to walk on our streets. But what has been manipulated is my support for bond reform, meaning that I think just everybody should go. The new bail reform law that goes into effect in 2023 does just that. It simply says cash, your ability to get cash, should not determine whether or not you are let go. Your threat to public safety is the only determinant that we should make into whether you should walk or not.
City leaders struggling with violent crime have consistently questioned how Foxx's office and subsequently county judges handle violent offenders.
There are too many violent offenders and too little consequences in our courts.
Just this month, the mayor had a public disagreement with Foxx over a West Side shootout that left one person dead, was captured on video, and led to no charges.
If they do not feel like the criminal justice system is going to hold them accountable, we're going to see a level of brazenness that will send the city into chaos, and we cannot let that happen.
It hurt my heart that there would be a narrative that I would not charge a case that is ready to be charged.
Foxx says about 84% of the cases brought to her office are eventually charged, and she encouraged the public to get information on their own, directing them to the Cook County State's Attorney's website, which she says has comprehensive data on all cases and charges. Reporting at the Layton Cook County Criminal Court Building, Mike Lowe, WGN News.
Tom Skilling tracking more rain and